New acaricide toxicity on tetranychus urticae koch, selectivity and side effect evaluations on the predatory mite Phytoseiulus persimilis athias-henriot, Acari, Phytoseiidae. This article is written by Hanan Salah el-Din Taha Diab. Contribution and originality of the study is that the contribution of the instantaneous rate of population increase re-equations were make data more precise than the ordinary life table parameters like R0 and LXMX, survival functions, because it measure the minute amount of differences on the intrinsic population increase RM that affected by insecticide treatment as a stress of population exposure. The novel mode of action and newer pesticides product molecules is a promising component for agriculture management programs. For this argument, some acaricide toxicity evaluations were completed on the predatory mite Phytoseiulus persimilis athias-henriot, Acari, Phytoseiidae in laboratory rearing for 2-generation under acaricide sublevel effect. Toxicity results showed that chlorphenapir was the most toxic acaricide for tetranychus urticae koch and etoxazole was the lesast, and for P. persimilis, etoxazole was the most toxic and fenproximat was the least. Relative toxicity recorded was higher in etoxazole and fenproximat, 7.916 and 5.058 times, respectively. Selectivity data proved that abamectin was the most selective acaricide and etoxazole was the least, 8.24 and 0.268, respectively. Effect on first generation of P. persimilis growth, fertility and productivity declined. Consequently, R0 and RM values were in LC25 attained values ranged from 0.59 to 0.66 for cyflumethophena and hexathiazox. Read data ranged from 0.29 to 0.36 for fenproximate and cyflumethophena, and R0 ranged from 0.53 to 6.0 for cyflumethophena and hexathiazox respectively. But in the second generation similar results attained because declined toxicity where RM in LC25 was from 0.93 and 1.13 for fenproximat and etoxazole, and in LC50 was 0.90 and 1.18 for cyflumethophena and hexathiazox respectively. A high effect on no of egg/female/day produced, shortened in total time of the generation at LC50 level of treatment more than LC25, and sex ratio resulted more male number emerged than female. The high acaricide concentrations used can kill more T. urtica than P. persimilis. Thanks for watching this video of Current Research in Agricultural Sciences Volume 10 Issue Number 1.